Okay, love. So I was in the process of taking down my Christmas, and I'm like, I could be recording this video. So anyway, guys, I hope you guys are having an awesome new year and not taking things for granted and appreciating your family and friends and giving someone love. Give all the love that you can, because you never know when this may be the last time that you see or talk to your loved ones or your friends. So what I'm doing is taking down my Christmas. I've already did my family room, but I'm here in my living room right now. It's a hot mess. A hot mess, right? So anyway, I went in my attic, pulled down some boxes to start putting these trees in. And so let's get started. Okay, so I took those alpine trees down, and I got so much flocking. Those trees are some flockers. Look at all that flocking just from those little skinny trees. Okay, love, so I ended up taking all the teal ornaments out of this box and putting them down there, but it still wasn't enough room, so I had to go up to my attic and find a crate so that I can transfer those items to here. So you ready, Rylan?
Yeah.
Okay. So it's around about 6 o'clock here in Houston. The sun's going down and I'm losing light. So let me see what else I'm going to end up doing. Actually, I'm pretty much done putting up. No, I'm not. Because I haven't even put this stuff up over here. Anyway, I need to quit fooling myself, right? So let me see what else I can do. It's not very much. The lighting is not going to be really good for the rest of the video, but I'm going to go ahead and record the rest of this video. I'm probably going to set my camera up like right here so you can see me at any angle, and I'm going to go ahead and get it done. Okay, loves, now I'm going to share with you this super awesome lightweight stick vacuum that I received from TocMoc. It's cordless, first of all. It's versatile. You can use it to clean your floors, your carpets. As you see me right now cleaning my entryway table, I'm going to clean my couch that's going to be full of glitter. You can actually use it to clean it's a duster as well. You can clean your curtains. You can clean in your windowsills. You can do so much with this vacuum. And what I like about it is that filter that you saw there, all you need to do is just press that button and empty it out. You don't have to change any bags or anything like that. You can even take that entire filter off and use soap and water and clean it. Yes. So awesome, so awesome. And another thing that I like about this vacuum, if you don't notice it, is it has a light on it. I love that light because when you're vacuuming the floors, you can see the dust. You can see what you're picking up. I've used this vacuum for about a month, and I've been gifted a few other vacuums, and so far this has been one of the best ones that I've had so far over the other ones that I received. So anyway, I'm loving this vacuum. I'm going to leave the link below just in case someone wants to check it out. So let's get this Christmas takedown done. Okay, love, so I have all the Christmas decor out. Look what I did here. This is super cute. This was my tree topper, and now it's in the vase. That is so adorable. So this is how I have my living room right now. And I'm sure within the next week, I'm going to be changing it, or I'm going to be moving some pictures around and things like that, and do my winter theme. I'm thinking about doing black and silver. I haven't done that yet. So yeah, I'm thinking about doing that. for the winter, but this is my Christmas takedown video. That's what I'm gonna call it. Christmas takedown. So so I wanted to show you, I put some string lights in this ginger jar. I think that's really cute. I kind of want to turn the lights off so I can see how it looks with the lights off, but since I don't have any candles on the end tables, I'm going to pass on that on today. But I hope that you guys enjoy my Christmas takedown video, and I will see you all in my next one. Bye.